Are you confused about the newly launched Nigeria eVisa and not sure what it is about? You're not alone. In this video, I break down everything you need to know, from the visa categories it covers to how long it lasts, required documents, and how long your data is kept. Let's get started. What is the Nigeria eVisa? The Nigeria eVisa is an electronic visa system that allows foreign nationals to apply for and receive a Nigerian visa entirely online, without visiting the Nigerian embassy. It replaces the Visa on Arrival (VOA) system Nigeria used to operate before. The Nigeria eVisa is designed for short-term, short-stay visas, up to 30 days per entry, with a 90-day validity window, primarily for tourism, business, or transit purposes, and cannot be used for employment or extended stays. The system streamlines the application process, making it faster and more convenient for travelers. The service operates 24 HRS, so you can apply anytime and you will get your eVisa usually within 48 HRS or less. For long-term visas, applicants still need to apply through embassies or consulates. Visas covered by the Nigerian eVisa. The Nigeria eVisa system now covers 13 short-stay visa categories, replacing the older Visa on Arrival process. These categories are valid for 30 to 90 days and are intended for specific short-term visits. 1. Transit visa, for travelers passing through Nigeria to another destination. Validity, up to 48 hours. 2. Business visa, single entry, for business meetings, conferences, and negotiations. Validity, up to 30 days entry, single. 3. Business visa, multiple entry, for repeated business engagements, such as meetings and conferences. Validity, up to 30 days per stay. Entry, multiple. 4. Business visa, frequently traveled business executives, for high-level business travelers with substantial ties or investments in Nigeria. Validity, variable up to 90 days total. Entry, multiple entries. 5. Tourism visa, for leisure travel, tourism, and sightseeing activities. Validity, up to 30 days entry, single. 6. Sports visa, for athletes, officials, and fans attending sports competitions or events. Validity, up to 30 days. 7. Creative arts visa, for artists, performers, and entertainers participating in shows or festivals. Validity, up to 30 days. 8. Study tour visa, for individuals joining short-term educational tour or training programs. Validity, up to 30 days. 9. Academic exchange program visa, for scholars, students, or lecturers involved in academic exchange programs. Validity, up to 30 days. 10. International cultural exchange visa, for participants in cultural collaborations or exchange initiatives. Validity, up to 30 days. 11. Emergency relief work visa, for humanitarian workers involved in emergency relief missions. Validity, up to 30 days. 12. Returning holders of foreign passports who are Nigerians by birth, for Nigerians by birth returning to the country with a foreign passport. Validity, single or multiple entry, up to 30 days per visit. 13. Visitor visa, single entry, for visiting family or friends residing in Nigeria. Validity, up to 30 days entry, single. Documents needed for Nigeria eVisa. To apply for a Nigeria eVisa, you must prepare and upload several specific documents as part of your online application. The exact requirements may vary slightly depending on your visa type, tourist, business, etc. But the core documents are generally consistent across most short-stay categories. Valid passport must be valid for at least 6 months after your planned departure from Nigeria. Passport photo, a recent color photo with a white background, taken within the last 3 months. Proof of funds, bank statements, or documents showing you can cover your expenses during your stay. Flight ticket, a return ticket, or onward travel booking. Accommodation details, hotel booking, or an invitation letter if staying with someone in Nigeria. Invitation letter, if applicable, needed for business trips or when staying with a host. Business letters should come from the host company and may include their CAC registration. Yellow fever certificate, required for travelers coming from countries where yellow fever is common. You might need to show it at the airport. How long is the Nigeria eVisa, and how many entries does it allow? The Nigeria eVisa is mainly for short stays. It's valid for up to 30 or 90 days, depending on the visa type and what you're coming for. Most people will get a single-entry visa, meaning you can enter Nigeria once and stay for up to 30 days. However, for business travelers, there are multiple entry options. especially for those who visit often or have ongoing investments. Each visit under a multiple entry visa also allows up to 30 days at a time. Can you renew, extend, or overstay the 90 days on a NigeriaEVisa? No, you cannot renew or extend a NigeriaEVisa. Under the 2025 visa policy, all e-visa types are non-extendable and valid only for the approved period, typically up to 90 days. Once it expires, you must leave Nigeria. If you need to stay longer, you must apply for a different visa category, such as a long-stay visa, student visa, or work permit, through a Nigerian embassy or consulate before your current e-visa expires. Overstaying is a serious offense. It may result in fines, travel bans, deportation, or even imprisonment. The current penalty is $15 per day, and overstaying beyond 3 months can get you banned for 5 years, while overstaying for a year may result in a 10-year ban. Does a person with a valid Nigerian visa need to apply for a NigeriaEVisa? No. If you already have a valid Nigerian visa, such as a multiple entry visa issued before the new e-visa system, you do not need to apply for an e-visa. As long as your existing visa is still valid and unexpired, you can continue to use it for entry into Nigeria. The new e-visa system applies primarily to new short-stay visa applications, 30-90 days, and it replaces the Visa on Arrival, VOA, not existing long-term or multi-year visas. Apply now for your NigeriaEVisa at https://evisa.immigration.gov.ng/. If you have more questions regarding the NigeriaEVisa that is still unclear, please drop in the comments below. Please subscribe for more updates on immigration and relocation tips.